This fun and inviting mountain park home is recently refreshed and in a prime location within walking distance to Westlake Park and Oak Creek Elementary. Close to the Mountain Park Rec Center, great restaurants, and downtown Lake Oswego with easy access to the city of Portland. Tastefully remodeled, this home features an open floor plan with a wall of windows providing tons of natural light, soaring ceilings, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace. Enjoy beautiful new hardwood flooring and peaceful views. The adorable kitchen features new quartz counters and plenty of storage with a pantry. Upstairs, the vaulted primary suite is a relaxing retreat with lovely views of walking paths and the valley. All 3 bathrooms have been recently remodeled. You'll find newer paint and carpet throughout, and plenty of space with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Just off the dining room, you can entertain on the expansive, newly painted deck. Take in the views while enjoying summertime barbecues. Or unwind in your private hot tub. Back into a common space, you can enjoy walking paths while surrounded by the beauty of nature. A fantastic opportunity in Lake Oswego's Mountain Park. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.